Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 21st, 2010. Well, the outside markets this morning, hopefully they can lead us in the grain markets today, as the grain markets overnight were very, very quiet. We've got the dollar down right now, down about 29 points. Crude oil is higher, gold is higher, stock markets are higher, and hopefully that will carry over into the grains. The news in the grain market is pretty limited. Weather in South America seems to be normal or getting closer to normal. The dry areas had got some rain here over the weekend, so now we're looking at the forecast. The forecast is dry for the next couple weeks. However, we'll have to play that as we go along here to see if it actually develops or not. In Australia, wheat harvest is underway again. Rains have subsided there, and the harvest is moving ahead this week. Some of the news out of Australia, however, is that 50% of their wheat is now considered feed grade, so we will have to deal with that, and that's might be a reason why we're seeing some pressure on corn, because that feed grade quality will compete with corn exports and corn demand here around the world. Pakistan did announce that they were selling some wheat. It's the first time they have sold wheat in over 3 years. And Japan did buy 2 cargoes of Australian food quality wheat overnight. China made some announcements on their usage here for the month of November. They put soybean imports at 90% higher than they were a year ago for the month of November. So a little bit of information coming out here, nothing to really swing the market too much. We did see the soybeans make new highs above yesterday's highs anyway here overnight. So but overall, looks like we should find support on any kind of a setback as we go into the holiday, into Christmas holiday here on Friday. We'll see some volume. The volume more than likely deteriorate some. Things will get much slower, so we're going to see a very choppy market here as we go through the next few days and into next week. In the livestock trade, cutout values were down in choice, down $1.39. Select down 5 cents. We had the market strong yesterday. We expect that we could see a setback there today with the weaker cutout values. Cash markets are still at a standoff in most southern areas. Those show lists need to be cleaned up here this week. We don't know if we're going to get that done. Packers have been playing tough with them, and looks like bids right now are very limited at lower money. Technically, the cattle market has traded in a sideways range here since December 7th, when we had that big outside day down. We are flirting with the upper end of that range, and we need a higher close here today or the next few days in order to get that market moving higher and retesting those highs made in early December. In the pork complex, cutout values were lower yesterday, down 55. We are in holiday markets. Some packers and most packers are going to be closed on Friday. They've got enough inventory around them to fill their needs here into the end of the year, so that is keeping this cash market under a bit of pressure. Also, the futures have been trading in a trading range between 75 and 77 pretty much for the month of December. If we need a breakout of that range to give us some further direction here, a close above 77 or below 75 could accelerate the market in the direction of the breakout. So things to watch here. Expect some quiet trading, some choppy trading from time to time. As always, we advise that you use risk protection wisely here during these times, because it can get very volatile, and we want you to survive into next year. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.